Panduit's PanTher LS8EQ handheld thermal transfer printer produces high-quality, industrial-grade labels on a wide assortment of label materials for electrical and network applications such as wire and cable, components, safety, and facility identification. A partial cut feature provides the flexibility to create tear-apart labels for quicker installation. This printer uses label cassettes that contain an integrated memory device, which allows for automatic formatting, recall of the last used legend, and the number of labels remaining in the cassette. These fast-loading P1 label cassettes include both label material and ribbon to make it easy to change labels. The LS8EQ is designed to be compact, rugged, and easy to use on site. It features an integrated full QWERTY keypad for quicker, more accurate text entry. A label cut-to-length feature eliminates label waste and time associated with trimming labels. Market-specific labeling tools help simplify label creation for network components, panel building, and construction and maintenance. A built-in USB interface allows you to import data, upgrade the system, and even print labels from a laptop or desktop computer. Each printer also includes one cassette cartridge and batteries in the package, so you're ready to go right out of the box. You can view our full selection of Panduit products and more at Galco.com.